First up is the picking section. This lets me quickly pull up ViWoods tools on third-party apps like the Kindle app or a web browser. I can annotate on top of those apps, write notes, crop a part of the page and save everything directly into the picking section. This has been super handy for me when I'm researching something in a browser. I can quickly grab parts of the text, handwrite my thoughts and keep it all organized in one place inside pickings. Another small but really useful feature is the quick refresh gesture. You can simply swipe from the top left corner of the screen and it refreshes the display. It's a small thing, but it makes using the device feel faster and smoother. I also really like how the calendar section has been built and designed, making it very intuitive. In the 30-day view, I can actually draw or write little notes directly inside each day's work. Additionally, when I tap on a day, I can add a task list, jot down some notes, link it to one of my paper notebooks, create events, and even connect the whole calendar to my Gmail or Outlook. Plus, there's also a button with 4 little squares in the top right corner that lets me switch to different views. So I can see all my tasks and notes for the entire month, or just look at a week or a single day. And on top of that, if I hold down the plus icon in the top right corner, I can even record an event with my voice. Another feature I really appreciate is that I can lock individual notebooks or meetings with either an extra passcode or a fingerprint scan. Sometimes I have documents I don't want to be visible or accessible right away, and having that extra layer of protection is really nice. I'm also a big fan of the 3 touch-sensitive buttons at the bottom, so we've got the Back, Home and AI. These may sound like small things, but when they work well, they make the device feel powerful and give you quick access to so many features right from the first screen. Another thing I like is having the search right there on the home screen neatly tucked away. Now it does have some limitations, it doesn't search through your handwritten notes or typed text inside documents. But it does a good job searching file names and tags, which is still pretty useful. And finally, one of my favorite things is just how many ways there are to import books and files onto the AI Paper. You can transfer files via Bluetooth, or use the V-Transfer app with a QR code, or do a Wi-Fi transfer by typing an IP address into your browser, which is probably my favorite way to move books from my laptop these days. You can also connect to cloud platforms like OneDrive and Google Drive and transfer files this way too. All of these features together make the AI Paper really versatile and powerful device.